Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can globally mute users on Discord. So first you're going to select server settings here, and then you are going to go to roles. I'm just going to create a role and I'm just going to name it silence. I'm going to label the color to. Then you are going to go to permissions, and under, where is it? Under speak, you're going to just disable that and select save changes. Select escape, and also on edit channel, like in general, right here. Go to permissions, select the silence role, and then you are going to again select this to disable them from talking. Select escape and just add people who you want to globally mute to that role so they don't talk again on that channel on your server. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!